Okay, so now we're gonna use the midpoint formula to find the to divide my line segment right here into fourths. So before we do this, I want to describe this line segment. So here we have a line segment here. Oh, and the ends of it are the endpoints where point A and B are located, and the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So to approach this, we would first need to find the midpoint of for the line segment AB. So we would use the coordinates of point A and the coordinates of point C and point B and plug them into this formula as shown by here. And I would get 0 0.5, 0 0.5. And I labeled the midpoint in my case as C, and I'll talk about that later on. So the next step we would have to do is we would have to find the midpoints for the line segments AC and CB. So this time, instead of using the coordinates for point B, we would use the coordinates for the midpoint and the coordinates of A and plug them into the midpoint formula, allowing us to find the midpoint for A and C. This would result in me getting the first fourth of my line segment would be negative 2.25 and another negative 2.25, negative 2.25. So now let's find the midpoint for the line segment CB. And likewise, instead of using the coordinates for point A, we'd use the coordinates for the midpoint and the coordinates for B, as shown over here. And the midpoint for the line CB would be 3.25 and 3.25. And now we have all our coordinates for each fourth. So it will look like this. Negative 5, it will look like this. It's all in fourths, as you could see here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect.